Officially GOKU 2 on the dyno. Huge effort from everyone involved in this car. Impress Race Fab, Nate Protection Concepts, Alex for being patient with us and building this bad boy. Street Race Solutions ass, I love it. The boys we got a stick. The goal is for this car to head to Japan tomorrow. We've just gone through, we'll check base timing again. Do some running, same process we always do. Doesn't matter if it's this engine or whichever size engine it is. It's got an M150 in it, Motec, PDMs to control everything. Very excited to tune this one. So the goal is for this car to head to Japan tomorrow. So run it in, see how it goes, make some turbo noises, maybe 30, 40 pounds of boost today and see where it's at. Go from there. It's got a 6-speed in it, sequential, billet block, 3.4 litre, big turbo. This thing will be tuned on E98 and obviously methanol in the future for when we go drag racing. When it goes to Japan, it's actually going to put 95 in it. So we're going to take a lot of the power out of the engine, obviously, before we send it over. So should be sick. Alex wants to drive in Japan, which we're all going over next year to take a collection of it.
I just want to show off the pink bash.
Ooh, should we take this? Nah, we'll leave it on. Cool, how do we start this bitch? Ignition?
Ignition.
Start.
Fire up.
Unreal. The colour of the pipe. It's just insane, isn't it? Just incredible. Just trying to get just some steady state tuning done. See where it's all at. It's gonna make some stink, that's for sure. So it's pretty cool.
It's a bit of a dog.
Eh?
It's a bit of a dog.
Yeah, it's gonna need nitrous for sure. But
or you need to play with
no VCam or nothing on there yet.
Yeah.
Yeah, it definitely does.
There's like, you know, when you steady state something, you normally get like a couple stages in the pedal. It's nothing. It's all the same.
Yeah.
It's like,
yeah.
and it's just,
yeah.
big ass turbo. Gate pressure, what are you doing?
So we're going to be shooting for 15, so there's a 5 pound spring, so I've got 15% on the 15 PSI on the gate as well. So it should be 20 pound.
You want to do it in 4th or 5th?
Do 4th for the speed.
Holy moly. She's going to be rowdy. So first little actual half run, I guess you'd call it. 14 pounds. We made 578. So that's cruising. That's also not even RPM'd anywhere near where we're going to end up. So basically just going to get the fuel, same as we always do, get the fuel heading in the right directions. Because at the moment we're starting rich and then it's going leaner and then it's coming back in. So I'm just going to get rid of that extra waviness, and then we'll do another pull on that same boost and run it out so that I definitely know that it's flattened out at 15 pound, and then we can get a baseline fueling all the way out the back, and then we'll probably, I think we'll put a bit on it from there, go like 30 pound or something like that.
It's gonna rev.
What was that?
I thought like 15 pound.
That was a limiter there, right?
Yeah, that was limiter, limiter. Yeah. Pretty cool deal. 650 horsepower on gate pressure, so 15 pound.
So that should be, I think that's 14.
Yeah, really stout. Really stout. So I think we'll just, 15 pounder boost, I think it was.
13.
13 pounder boost. So, yeah, very cool, very cool. Turned off, yeah.
Fix that fuel.
Yeah, I will. I love the gate when you let, like, you turn the car off, it goes.
Oh, yeah.
The TO2 releases.
Lets it out. It went to 13 pound deal, so I was wrong. 640 on 13.
That's hectic. $830 on 20 pound. It's insane. 20 pounder boost and 800. It's more horsepower than your car makes on like 28 pounds. So it's a she's a weapon. This one's gonna be this should be a. I'll put 35 pound on the wastegate now. So the wastegate's working unreal, which is sick.
Fuck, look at how nice the dump is on, man.
The dump is ridiculous.
That is fucked.
And see the manifold.
Yeah, that is gorgeous, man.
The thing is just, God, it sounds ridiculous in person. You know that, like, I'll say that, like, Sydney wind-up, like, that people get, like, it's just got that, oh. And 20 pound, wait till she's got fuck. That's 20 pound, mate. Let's see the curve, I'll show you.
When's it starting to make boost?
Oh, actually pretty good. So we got the ramp rate off the dyno to 140. But like, we made 6 pounder boost at like 4,900 RPM, 5,000 RPM.
Oh, that's all right.
Yeah, like it's definitely not bad at all. Like,
are you using the VCam to get it on?
Yeah, VCam. Yeah, VCam. Yep.
Stuart says in the video that it's on the VCam.
Oh yeah, no VCam.
There was no VCam.
Hi, Sam from the future here. The VCam actually wasn't plugged in, so we had no VCam, just small cam. Back at you.
You can't believe it's making boost fucking at 5,000 RPM with no nitrous.
Yeah, and we're gonna have nitrous from like, I don't know, 3,000 RPM onwards.
Yeah, but that's crazy. But to think that you could even get that thing on boost without it, like
it was like the steady state was pretty like Sam was like pretty lackluster. Like the steady state was like when you're on and off, but letting it go. Like we're in 4th gear too, so it's, like it's I don't know. She's fucking. It doesn't take long. Not like it's not. We'll put it as not nowhere near as lazy as Big Deal or any of those cars. You know what I mean? Like it hits way faster. But I guess that's like a manual thing though too. Like just revving faster, but I can't wait to.
Not only that, man. Like a fucking Trust T78 turbo back in the 90s wouldn't come on boost at that time.
I was having this chat this morning. I was having this chat to Will this morning about just like the technology in turbos and stuff these days is ridiculous. You know what I mean? Like you can upsize turbos and have it, you know, drivable, which is ridiculous to say that. Yeah. 26 pound. We're gonna start. Have to slam the gate shut, eh? I'll put 35 pound on the wastegate then, on the dome. I'll set you back up on this.
981 horsepower, 26 pounds of boost, mate.
Epic. It's fucking epic. I'm gonna run this up again. I'll put you on.
I'll put you on.
I'll put you on.
Is this more boost or what?
Yeah, a little bit more boost, just yeah.
What RPM am I at there?
8,300.
Oh, so I don't have much more. Cool.
Yeah, don't have much more.
Just a little.
Where it's rolling, it's nice. 981, 26 pound, fucking killer. So, see me run this thing up. We'll fucking see how we go.
Yeah.
Yeah, Sammy, you go.
That's me. I'm Sammy. I feel like we might be running out of fuel.
Actually,
I think we're running out of fuel.
that sounds like we're out of fuel.
Yeah, it didn't go to 60. I think we're out of fuel.
Hang on, mate. I just need to get some fuel. I'll ring you back in 2 secs.
Fucking blind leading the blind round here, Alex. Same boost?
Nah, got a bit more in it. Just same again. Same again.
Ton up.
Only 30 pounds.
Up. Easy.
That's killer. That's killer. It went 1078 on like 29 pound.
1,078 on 29 pounds of boost.
Yeah.
30.
30. Telling lies. I'm telling lies over here. 30.
30.
No, but
31.
30. Actually, no, 31. I'm telling two.
1,078 at 31.
1,078 at 31 pound.
And the fueling's fucking atrocious.
The efficiency of this turbo will be crazy where it's at right now. Like it'd be like unreal air. Like the air the turbo's producing will be crazy. Which is
Oh, it's cold.
yeah, and it's like 14 degrees and shit, so it's freezing here. But and that the fuel was a bit rich at the back end too as well, so very rich.
oh, but you won't get it to 2,000.
Oh yeah.
Like no, now. Like with
No. The goal was not to do that like this time. It was when we get back from overseas. It was just to make just that like I'll just pull some fuel out and the tune up like it will be all but done. Just want to make just hear it make 1,000 horsepower basically, and then we'll pull some fuel out of it. We'll change over 98 and just run. It literally runs 6 pounds of gate pressure. That's terrible, but.
Can you remember what gate pressure was on GOKU 32? Wasn't GOKU 32 like 30 pounds of boost?
Yeah, 26. So it was 26, and it went 810. I think it was. So,
Yeah, 26 PSI.
and 26 went 981.
31 of the thousands.
The reason why that didn't make more power than it was rich as. So where the part of the map that I hadn't touched it just went rich as up there. So where it needed the fuel to come out, it went in. So we had the wrong fuel. So if I touch that up and like this would go like 1150, 1180 on the same fuel on the same boost, but just different fueling.
Fuck yeah, that's
Which is
mad.
sick. So it's just this part of the map up here where we went to see this little highlighted square.
Yeah.
That's where it went to then. So usually we've been back here in this section. So then we moved over to here, which then once we start getting up to, and that was like 8,700 RPM. 80 RPM. But just doing
Is that all you revved it to?
doing it easy. Doing it easy. Which is sick. So this car now will head overseas. The engine's running, everything's actually running unreal. So we made 1,080 horsepower on 31 pounds. So just literally a running tune. It's cool because this car won't be with us for a long time, till next March, I guess you could say. Garage Active to do a complete wide body on this car, dry carbon as well. So the car will be coming for it all. That's our goal. So comment down below if you want to see Sam tune a car.
Come around the corner and I'll fucking tell you. Sam already built an engine. What more do you want?
I want you to tune the car.
Come on. What next? And you can
We have to double that. We have to double it.
engine building. Completed.
We have to double
Nah, I
it.
don't need to. This is good. Leave it there.
Never much further than that.
26 PM. That's all I built it for.
Ring out for 26.
Sorry, you can't turn it up. I don't make the rules.
That's it. I don't know.
It's out of cans. It's too.
It is out of
Turbo's done.
It's done.
pretty good right there, right?
Yeah, do that. Hey?
Ready for Japan now.
See you, baby.
We made it. We made it.
We're in Japan.
No, we're not in Japan yet. We're not in Japan yet, but we're at the port of Brisbane. The car's made it here. We're about to unload it, take it into the loading yard. The boys are going to strap it in a container and get that thing ready to go. So huge effort from boys, everyone involved in this car. But yeah, to be continued. This car is very special to us, very special to Alex, and wait to get this car back and see what it can do in 2026. Here we go. Listen to this. Oh, what a car. Yeah, just slow the hair off. Steady, steady, steady. Yeah, yeah. There you're off. You're off, yeah. Oh. Hang on, I'll film too.